He ain't serious right now, is he? Yo. You know I'm back here trying to take a nap, bro. Why are you vacuuming?
Bro, what are you talking about? I'm not vacuuming.
Bro, what are you talking about? You're vacuuming right now.
Bro, what? Bro, I'm playing the game.
Alright, listen, I'm not about to play these games with you, bro. I know what I... What the hell is that sound?
Oh, yeah, you probably talking about the PS4. Yeah, it does that. It does that. It's very loud.
Why is it that damn loud?
I don't know. It's been like that for the past year and a half. Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Bro, it sounds like it's gonna explode.
Alright, now you're just exaggerating.
It sounds like a jet taking off in here.
I don't know what you expected. This is day one. Day one PS4 2013.
I was there.
It's old, okay? It's old. Alright, listen, I'm gonna tell you like this. I just got in second place on Warzone. And you think I'm gonna stop after getting that close? Not I, sir. Not I, sir. So I suggest you better go back there and try and take a nap. Or you can wait. You can wait until I'm done. And then you can go sleepy bye. Because if you think I'm gonna stop and get off this ride right now, talking about some vacuum. Vacuum. What?
Bro, shut up, bro. Talking about action. Just let me know when you're done vacuuming, bro.
Ain't nobody vacuuming. Damn.